What's the meaning of cheerfully? Cheerfully. Cheerfully.
Cheerfully. Cheerfully. Cheerfully is an adverb that describes the manner in which someone does something in a happy and positive way, often with a smile on their face. It is characterized by an upbeat and optimistic tone that exudes positivity. When someone does something cheerfully, it can improve the mood and atmosphere of the environment they are in. Their positive attitude can be infectious and uplifting, encouraging others to feel more optimistic as well. Ultimately, acting cheerfully can help to create a more enjoyable and pleasant experience for all involved.